Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the next chapter. The chapter is file handling in Python. Students, this is very important chapter. So kindly pay attention and listen my video carefully. So first of all, we need to know the need of this chapter. Why we are learning file handling. Students, you know that when we run any program and we provide some input, it does not get stored anywhere. Now, if we want to store the values at runtime, then how we will store those values? Means when we run any program, the value we supplied that must be stored somewhere. So now we are storing those values in the text file. So this is the main purpose of file handling. Now, what is file? जब हम फाइल हैंडलिंग की बात करते हैं तो सबसे पहले फाइल क्या होता है ये हमें जानना बहुत जरूरी है. तो यू कैन से दैट एक फाइल इज ए कलेक्शन ऑफ बाइट्स. बाइट्स क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें हम जो भी कैरेक्टर्स लिखते हैं ईच कैरेक्टर टेक्स द वन बाइट. सो यू कैन से दैट इट इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ बाइट्स और it is a named location on the disk to store some information because it is stored on the hard disk. And basically there are three types of files. One is text file, another is binary file, and third one is CSV file, comma separated values file. Now, first of all, we will discuss the difference between text file and binary file. So, what is the difference between text file and binary file? Students, see, text file are the human readable files. Means जिस फाइल को हम रीड कर सकते हैं इजीली वो आपकी टेक्स्ट फाइल होती है. लेकिन बाइनरी फाइल्स आर नॉट ह्यूमन रीडेबल. आप जानते हैं कि बाइनरी आपका 0 और 1 की फॉर्म में आपका स्टोर करता है, तो दैट इज नॉट ह्यूमन रीडेबल. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, in a text file whenever the new line operator comes dot or slash n, the extra translation work takes place. ठीक है, and the execution of text file becomes slow as compared to binary file. Okay, so no conversion takes place in case of binary file. Next, see, binary file takes the less memory as compared to text file because in text file every character takes 1 byte, but in binary it takes the storage depends on the data type. Like if I say any integer value, now integer takes the 2 byte space, it will take the 2 byte in the memory, but in text file it will take the 5 bytes depends on the number of characters. Okay, now what are the CSV file? As you know, it is the comma separated value. Generally CSV files used to store the huge amount of data, right? And it is the plain text, no space, no formatting tools, only plain text. And you must have seen in the spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel, we have the facility to store the data in CSV format. I can show you what type of CSV format look like. See, दिस इज द वन फाइल CSV फाइल जो मैंने एक्सेल से मैंने कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन थी वो मैंने CSV फाइल के अंदर स्टोर किया। कैसे लगती है देखिए, ये CSV फाइल आपको इस तरह से लगेगी। मैंने जितनी भी फॉर्मेटिंग इस पे लगाई थी, जितनी भी फॉर्मेटिंग थी वो सारी फॉर्मेटिंग मेरी अपने आप हट जाती है। ये देखिए, ये CSV फाइल है, ये मैंने नेम कॉलम ये सब अब लगाया था, ठीक है। ये CSV फाइल मेरी जनरेट होके आई है, ठीक है। नाउ so these are CSV files. So CSV files are normally created by the program that handle the large amount of data. They are convenient way to export data from the spreadsheet and database as well as import or use it in the another program. Now basic operations on text file. Basically, there are the three type of operation that we will perform on text file: opening a file, reading from and writing into a file, or closing the file. Okay. Now, before performing opening the file, we need to know the different file modes. Now, students, there are the different file modes. What is the meaning of file mode? File modes means this helps to open a file for the different purposes. Fine. So first is read only mode. It is signified with help of R. R is the character. Fine. It opens the file for the reading and it is the default mode. Then if one is a read and write, it is a R plus. Okay, this opens the file for reading and writing for both purpose. And next is the write only. It opens the file only for writing purpose. Okay. Next is the W plus, both read and write. Next, append only. This is very important file mode. Suppose you want to write something in a file and you want that the previous data should not be erased, because when we open a file in writing mode, the previous data get erased, means data is overwritten, you can say. But if we want to preserve the previous data, then we have to open the file in append mode. Okay, then in case of append mode, the previously written data will be in the file also. Then A plus, again append and read mode. Now, so these were the different file modes. Now, what is the syntax to open a file? Now see how to open a file. Syntax is file object, it can be any identifier, equal to open. So this is the open function. This is the open function which helps to open a file. So with what parameter we have to pass in open function? File name and file mode, access mode. Like file equal to open story.txt फाइल का नाम है, then w is the write mode. इसको हम फाइल को write mode में ओपन कर रहे हैं. This can be anything identifier. Okay. Now if I write the code in the Python, see this is a screenshot of the Python file. I have written the code in the Python file and I have run the program, and what type of output will I have? Because it will show file created. Now where the file will be created? Here, see, this is the complete location where you save your file, Python file, and the text file will be created there only. Okay, this is the story.txt created. ठीक है, ये story.txt जो फाइल है जो हमने क्रिएट किया है वो हमारी क्रिएट हो चुकी है. ठीक है, तो आज के लिए इतना ही. आज हमने क्या क्या सीखा, डिफरेंट फाइल मोड्स कौन से होते हैं और हम फाइल को कैसे ओपन करते हैं. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग फाइल हाउ टू राइट ए फाइल एंड हाउ टू रीड फ्रॉम ए फाइल, ये हम सीखेंगे. Friend, this is very important chapter. Kindly do practice at home and do the assessment whatever I give you. Okay, thank you very much.